Welcome to Auto Surgery, guys. Today we have a big truck. Customer is complaining. That's a Hino. That you guys can see. That's a big truck. When I say big truck, that's a big truck. Very, very big truck. Commercial trucks, yes. So, customer is complaining. He has a leak. Yes, he has a leak on this. That's baby right here. Yeah, that's a big trucks. So let's go together. I'm gonna show you guys where that leak coming from. That trucks. Just come with me here. Just gonna show you guys. People is getting crazy on my area here. This guy he's honking the other one. So okay, here. There you go right here. So that's baby right here. So let's get under here with me. Oh. This guy is leaking here, as you guys can see here. Yes, let me do a little zoom. You guys can see. One second. That's the leak from that hose right there. All right, so it's leaking huge. So on that particular shock like that, we don't do patching. So when those vehicles on the highways, you have to be very extra careful. So I decided to take it from the front, way down in the front. Let me show you when I mean way down in the front, because I want it in the front completely to, I will take it out from here, then reaching to the back, which is like on the ABS system right there. I do it straight line from that one here. Let's go on the front. Why not with me? Oh, okay. That's a Hino 223. I mean 338. Yes, it's a big truck right there. Yes, as I was telling you guys, that's the baby right there. So I'm gonna take this guy out from here. This is a 12 millimeter. Thing is, guys, I'm just gonna take that sexy out, but to remove this guy here first, to tell you the truth, guys, I have to warm it up a little bit, very little bit, just to take it out and then to remove that sexy. Yeah, there you go. This is the line. So now I have to go under and then to remove it from the other tip from the ABS. Yes, sir. Oops, I dropped something. I'm gonna cut this video because I have to go under. Okay, guys, this is the one here. We're gonna remove from here. Yes, that's the guy. We're gonna remove the whole line completely. Yes, let's remove this sexy right there. I'm just gonna put that camera down again, guys, because I have one hand holding the camera, the other hand is trying to take it out. Oh, there you go, here she is. There you go. Yes. those kind of trucks, you never take chance to chop it up, because on this thing on the highways, you don't want to get in trouble. It's better to do a best job, and then when the customers go, you happy, customers happy. We're good. Still hard. Let's take it out a second. Okay guys, this is it right here. So we're gonna put this hose over here to connect it to that guy over here. We're gonna connected him right there. I don't want nothing on my way. I'm just gonna put the phone down and then tie it up the right way. Then after that, I'm gonna bleed all those 4 tires. Then to make sure we have a good brakes on it. Then I will do a road test with it, and to make sure everything on good before I release the vehicle. All right, let's put this one together. She is right here. Just make sure we tie it up. Yes, that's sexy. We tied it up. Come on, say here, guys. This area over here. Oh no. Oh no. This guy are too much. Yes. That baby is tight. Okay. Now we're gonna go inside to tight inside as well. There we go, right, guys. That's the one on the back. Just gonna tie it up. Yes. On those kind of vehicle, you can chop, you don't put like pieces on the pieces. You just do it in one straight lines. Yes, one straight lines, because when there's vehicle on the highways, you have to be careful with the driver's life, the other passengers on the street, on the highways. Come on, baby. Right. Okay. Nice. Make sure everything is in good. Okay, now it's time to put the fruit in and then bread. All right, let's do it. Okay, hold it. This is the way, guys. We make sure we pop it up. Wait. Oh. Okay, pop. My hands. Oh. Just make sure we bleed it. Okay, hold it. All right, Pop. How do you feel it? How do you feel it? It's good? How you feel it? Okay. We're gonna try it on the wood right now, guys. Let's do it now. Okay, guys, after bleeding, the first thing is you make sure, because we have enough oil, because that's the maximum it's supposed to be over here. Just gonna make sure. I don't know if you guys can see it here, but I think I'm really good on this one here. So now we just need to start that sexy right now. We're gonna start it up. Let's put this thing down and have to go home. Go. Let's see. Now we're gonna start it up. Yeah. There you go.
तो काम करने वालों को है तो काबा का जो है रोजाना निकालना पड़ता है, उसको पर्दा है, उसको सुनना है। काबा की जिंदगी और सामने होंगी तो हम काबा जैसे काम करने वाले बनेंगे।
Alright, we're looking good. We're gonna thank you guys for watching the video. Everything looking great. We're doing it to a road test with the vehicle. Everything's looking good. I'm so happy with what I done. So I'm just gonna call the customers and to come and pick up the vehicle right now. Please, if you like this vehicle, guys, please share that video. Share with a friend of family member or family members and subscribe. I see you for another video from channel Auto Beside You. Thank you. Remember, Jesus is coming soon. Get ready.